So next we're going to paint together in our art journals, and we're going to try another fun way to start a painting, which is to crank up the music, spritz the canvas with some water, take a brush and a couple of colors, and move with the music. Now when I use really wet paint in my journal, I use some freezer paper or parchment paper to protect my pages. So I just place this paper so that I protect the pages around the pages that I'm actually painting. And I suggest you hold the brush very loosely. You can make lines and marks or words, you can color in sections, you could finger paint. You can switch hands and use your non-dominant hand. It's another way to just get something down so that you no longer have a blank page staring at you. You can sit, you can stand, whatever calls to you. So you might want to choose either a palette of cool or a palette of warm colors for this layer. Remember, cool colors are blues, greens, purples. Warm colors are reds, oranges, and yellow. And we're going to use another kirtan mantra, Om Shri Mahalakshmiye Namaha. This is a mantra for abundance, and who doesn't need more abundance in their life? The words are on page 6. So enjoy painting to music, and if you want to sing along, the words are right here at the bottom of page 6. Om Shri Mahalakshmiye Namaha. This mantra calls to the goddess of abundance, Lakshmi, which is an energy you have inside you, to grant both worldly and spiritual prosperity. So enjoy it.
Om Shri Mahalakshmiye Namah. 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 Om Shri Mahalakshmiye Namaha. 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 Om Shri Mahalakshmiye Namaha.